Hello kids, let's learn some fun words today.
Dog, dog, D-O-G, dog. The dog says woof woof. Cat, cat, C-A-T, cat. A cat says meow. Cow, cow, C-O-W, cow. A cow gives us milk. Fish, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. A fish swims in water. Bird, bird, B-I-R-D, bird. A bird can fly high. Apple, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Apples are red and tasty. Banana, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Monkey loves bananas. Carrot, carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Carrots are orange and crunchy. Milk, milk, M-I-L-K, milk. Milk makes our bones strong. Bread, bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread. We eat bread for breakfast.
Sun, sun, S-U-N, sun. The sun is bright and hot. Moon, moon, M-O-O-N, moon. The moon shines at night. Rain, rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Rain makes everything fresh. Tree, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Trees give us shade and oxygen. Flower, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Flowers are beautiful and colorful. Car, car, C-A-R, car. A car takes us places. Bus, bus, B-U-S, bus. A bus carries many people. House, house, H-O-U-S-E, house. A house is where we live. Chair, chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. We sit on a chair. Table, table, T-A-B-L-E, table. We eat food on a table. Red, red, R-E-D, red. Apples are red. Blue, blue, B-L-U-E, blue. The sky is blue. Circle, circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. A ball is a circle. Square, square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. A window can be a square. Triangle, triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Pizza slice is a triangle. Run, run, R-U-N, run. I run fast. Jump, jump, J-U-M-P, jump. Jump like a rabbit. Sing, sing, S-I-N-G, sing. I love to sing songs. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Smile, smile, S-M-I-L-E, smile. Smile makes everyone happy. Let's have some quiz regarding these words. Question 1. Which animal says woof woof? A. Cat. B. Dog. C. Fish.
answer is B. Dog.
Question 2. Which animal swims in water? Bird, fish, cow. Fish. Question 3. Which fruit is red and tasty? Apple, banana, carrot. Apple. What makes our bones strong? Milk, bread, candy. Milk. Which one takes us places? Table, car, bus. Car. Where do we live? Chair, house, bus. House. What color is the sky? Red, blue, yellow. Blue. What shape is a pizza slice? Square, circle, triangle. Triangle. What do we do with our hands to make noise? Sing, jump, clap. Clap. What do we do when we are happy? Smile, run, cry. Smile.